Step-by-step fix for blue screen errors. 1. Note the error code. When the blue screen appears, note the error message. E.g., critical process, died, memory management, driver ERCL not less or equal. This helps identify the cause, driver, RAM, disk, etc. 2. Restart in safe mode. Safe mode loads only essential drivers. Press Shift, plus, Restart, choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. Press 4 or F4 for safe mode. If your laptop runs fine here, the problem is likely with a driver or third-party software. 3. Update. Drivers. Outdated or corrupt drivers are the most common cause. Right-click Start, Device Manager. Update display, network, sound, and storage drivers. Or, use Windows Update. Optional updates, driver updates. CMD command, SFC, change scano. Then also run, disk, online, cleanup image, restore health. 5. Check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. Updates often include stability fixes. 6. Scan for malware. Use Windows Security, full scan. Malware can trigger system crashes. 7. Check hardware, RAM and disk. Faulty memory or storage can cause blue screens. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic. Type mshed.exe and start. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Run command prompt, admin. ehkdsk ochfridaf R8. Uninstall problem apps. If BSOD started after installing a new app or update, uninstall it. 9. Reset or reinstall Windows, if all else fails. Settings, System, Recovery. Reset this PC. Keep files, if possible. Common causes of blue screen, cause example. Fix driver error, update or reinstall drivers. RAM issue, run memory test. Overheating, clean fans. Improve airflow. Disk corruption. Run chkdsk BIOS out of date. Update BIOS, carefully. Malware, full system scan. Settings, use appropriate media. Make the background music. Best, add subtitles with a banger effect.